Hello everybody, welcome here to another video. I'm filming this on the 5th of January, so Happy New Year to all of you. Apologies for the lack of vlogs recently. I have no explanation for it, I just simply didn't have anything to vlog and we weren't really doing anything around the house. Then I was off for Christmas and I just basically wanted to chill and do absolutely nothing. So today I decided to add to some of the clips that I already have from, I believe, November or something like that. So yeah, without further ado, if you'd like to stick around to hear some updates about the house and just updates in general, then please keep watching. Just driving to a garage to return a PLT order. Well, one of the dresses that I ordered because it doesn't suit me. I don't like it, but I kept the other two and I love them so much. So I'm really excited about them. I have a few things coming up that I need dresses for, so I kept the other two. So very exciting. I think it's so exciting when you order something and it fits you exactly like you want it to. Like, honestly, that hasn't happened for me in a while, not gonna lie. So I was absolutely thrilled with my little self, that it fit and it looked nice. Well, I thought it looked nice anyway. They're also colourful, would you believe it? You know me, I'm black, grey, beige kind of gal. So yeah, one of them is blue and one of them is like olive green. They're gorgeous. Today is a day off for me. I'm taking advantage of it and I'm going to be cracking on with a lot of jobs. It's currently Thursday. I still have work tomorrow, but today is my only day where I can do a couple of things in our house. My dad is actually arriving on Tuesday, which means that I kind of have to get the house ready for him and a room for him where he can stay, because he's going to be staying in our house and working every single day basically. And to save myself from driving him there every single morning and then collecting him to bring him to the house that I live in now, it would just be so much hassle. So he's going to stay in the house already, even though it's a building site and I feel so bad. But he said, like, it's fine, I did it before, it's grand. So I was like, okay. So I got him a load of bits that I'll show you later. A little sort of survival kit, if you like to say that. I'm also bringing my bed over and a mattress and a bedside table and things like that. So he's gonna have something to live with and from. Is somebody gonna let me out or what? My goodness me. He's staying for 3 weeks and then I believe he's coming back again like a week or two after. So he's going to be doing our bathrooms, which is super exciting. I cannot wait. So I'm going to take you along with me for the day. Our kitchen is actually being started tomorrow. So it's super exciting. We picked our kitchen. We decided to not go with IKEA in the end. I believe I was saying in my last vlog that we were looking at an IKEA kitchen. And we decided not to go for that because it was super expensive in the end, and that was even without somebody putting it together for us. So yeah, it just ended up being super expensive. So we found a cheaper option and it's just going to be so nice. I cannot wait. I'm gonna either show you in the catalogue what it looks like, or I might actually insert a picture now of the picture from the catalogue of the kitchen that we chose. It's in the color cashmere, so it's like a beigey, warm toned color. I really like it. And we're also getting tiles put down in the kitchen, the laundry room, the dining room, the hallway. So all that is getting kind of dug up because they're stuck on really well, so you can't even pick one tile up from the ground. They're really tough to take off, so they need like a special machine to take them off. So it's a whole fiasco with those. Gosh, I felt like I got that word from like an American TV show or something. I've never said that word in my life. So lots of things are happening and it's very exciting, and I'm so ready to move in, even though there's still so much to do. Oh, there's so much to do. But I feel like finally things are going to be coming together a lot faster. And not gonna lie, we're kind of getting overwhelmed already, just because there's so much happening. In January alone, I'm like making sure I have everything in line. Actually my bathrooms, the stuff for the bathrooms, I ordered those from Poland. I did mention that in one of my past vlogs. I definitely did. Ordered them from Poland, saved so much money. And we know like a company that delivers from Poland to Ireland, and the stuff is actually arriving on Tuesday, so the same day that my dad is arriving, so that's super handy. I timed that very well. I'm praying that it's all intact and nothing has broken, because that's going to be so sad. They're actually leaving Poland today as we speak, so super exciting. I cannot wait to see the stuff. It's so difficult to pick something online than actually seeing it in person, so I'm praying that it actually looks just like it does in the pictures. I can't even bear thinking about it if it doesn't. But yeah, sure, we have to wait and see. No point in stressing about it now. Then also on Tuesday and Wednesday, we're getting, one of the days our TV is being installed, another day our internet is being installed. So honestly, there's so much to do. Every day there's something. We're also looking at tiles today. I have to get a new toilet seat for the downstairs bathroom, because we took it off because it was disgusting. And we're not doing up the downstairs bathroom. It's not too bad at all. We're just gonna literally deep clean it and get a new toilet seat, because the toilet's fine. And I think we also want to get a new sink or new taps. So yeah, so that's the deal for today. We're going to be back and forward between the house that I live in now and our new house, and basically taking a lot of things for my dad over. I also need to get him a microwave. We haven't got one yet, but I have an old one in our house now, so I can give him that. Oh, and on top of it all, we also ordered our fridge, our ovens, our hob, dishwasher, everything for the kitchen, so the man that's doing the kitchen can have it all and basically can fit it in straight away. We ordered all of that, and the delivery was delayed, so we're still waiting for that to come. So yeah, as you can tell, I have a lot on my mind, and I'm writing it all down because I'm one of those people that I have to have a list. It's all written down, so it feels much better to kind of dump it all onto a page and then see clearly where I'm at, what I have to do, what I need. But still, I'm still thinking about it, do you know, that way. Lots to do, but it's super exciting and I'm so grateful for it, and I cannot bloody wait. We often say with Aaron, I'm like, can you actually believe it? Like, can you still believe it? Because I can't, can you? So yeah, it kind of, I feel like it hasn't even hit us yet. The other day we went looking for a sofa and we couldn't find anything that we liked, which is concerning because we should at least order it. I believe like you have to wait months sometimes for them to be made, so we really should have one ordered already, but we just can't find anything we like. So I'm going to catch up with you later on when things are happening and it's a lot more interesting than just me driving. Lower the music down. We are on the way to the house. There's a couple of things today that need to be done. I want to show you what the sunroom looks like, because the windows are finished, so it's basically finished. It just needs to be painted, so that's really exciting. That it's the first room in the house to be done. So that's that, and yeah, we just need to box up some tiles that we took off. There's not that many left to do, and then take some stuff out of the garden, but that's about it. It's super exciting. Things are moving forward. The boiler man has already been. We chose which boiler we want, so that'll be getting done soon. Windows and doors are being done in 2 weeks time. I can't believe that's 2 weeks already. So that flew in. So I'm gonna show you around the house a little bit. It's now empty. The bathrooms, you would have seen in the last vlog that all the stuff came out, but the tiles were still on. towels are not on anymore. Here is what the sunroom looks like. How much brighter is that? Isn't it? Like, the windows are so clear, so good. Aaron's just outside trying to get rid of any, that's the old windows actually, trying to get rid of any of the rubbish that is still going for the truck. And oh, the fence is falling down over there. That's okay, it can be fixed. But yeah, he's just down here taking off the wooden things off the walls because we don't need them. So oh, that's easy. I'm going to box up the rest of the tiles because there's a load here that we took off, as you can see, and all these are off, and all the ones in the utility room are off as well. So I'm gonna get a box. We brought some boxes in. I just don't know which box to use. Maybe this one will do. I'm also going to grab my gloves. Is this still wet? No. Grabbing my gloves, and I'm going to box up the tiles that are here. So let's do that. The boiler's gone.
You have to record everything.
Yeah, this is an exciting moment. Where's my feckin' shelves?
Oh, we told them to get rid of it.
I didn't. Where are they? Oh.
No, not them. She was talking about them. She was talking about the wooden shelves that were in there.
Oh, they're in there. Yay! That was some struggle to get in that
If you've seen,
apart.
the screws were that long that came out of it.
I think the last time I showed the bathrooms, they still had towels on, but the other day, Aaron and his brother took them all off. So now both bathrooms are tileless, other than the floor. He needs to do the floor today or something, so.
So I can't actually grab the stuff.
Junior for fluffy slippers.
They're actually steel toe, have you know?
Steel toe?
Almost lost a fucking knuckle. For the second day in a row.
Same one? Must be something wrong with it.
Yeah,
Put it away.
enough anyway. Shit, nothing to shave in for 2 hours.
We're at home taking the bed apart, and I'm just packing a duvet and bedclothes and things like that. So very exciting. What do you think you want to put first in the van? pass me that red blanket when you're ready.
Yeah, the blanket's not important. Hold that for a minute.
180, no?
203 to be safe.
And the towels, maybe.
Ready?
Hmm?
Catch.
Look at that.
It's all about the shot. Take him up, boys, and I'll get the headboard.
Yeah. Chili peanuts or whatever.
What?
Chili peanuts or whatever.
Where?
In the basket.
Oh,
The survival kit.
I don't think I need to survive on them. I think we need to survive on them.
I'll help you with that. So as you can probably tell, these are all the clips that I have gotten yesterday. After that, we literally packed the van, headed to the house and emptied it as fast as we possibly could, because it was getting a little bit late. So we just tried to rush it and we got it all done, got it set up. I'm still going back there tomorrow to set up some last bits for my dad. And other than that, I think that's everything that I'm going to talk to you about in this vlog. I don't want to tell you absolutely everything in the one vlog because then I have nothing else to vlog about. But as I said, from Tuesday onwards, things are going to be picked up a lot faster. So there's going to be a lot of updates, a lot of vlogging, so get excited. I still hope you're enjoying these, and I'm sorry again for the lack of videos throughout December. There was literally not even one, but I hope you can understand that I literally had nothing to vlog about and I didn't want to just throw anything up there for the sake of it and let it be boring for you. So yeah, so I'm back now. Hopefully I can do these for you at least once a week, if not more, but I'm not going to say more just so I don't jinx it, but definitely once a week. So I'll be vlogging again next week, and I hope to have a vlog for you up next Sunday as well. So without any further delays for you, I really hope you enjoy your day whenever you're watching this, and I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all in the next one.